Okay, a little update video on the gel coat repair. This spot's fixed. This spot's fixed. We still got to buff it. This spot's fixed. Got some tape junk on it. Where's another one? It's hard to see, man. Color match is really good. This spot's fixed. A little bit of bleed through right there. Yeah. We'll have to spray that one more time.
Up there too.
Yeah, we got a little dent there and a little there. Right. We'll be doing this top side last. This is being finished right now. It's being sanded out. And other side. People don't realize how long this stuff takes. Where's your other spots? Hard to see. This one just got about its third coat on it. Kept having a little bleed through, so this has to be sanded here in just a few minutes. And this one here is fixed. So that's good. Good progress. Getting there.